NARS has one of the best concealers on the market because it works for everyone, every skin type, every skin concern. This award-winning concealer is coveted by beauty enthusiasts and makeup artists alike. Hey beauties, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Angela Denise and I love makeup. And if you do too, then this is the channel for you. In today's video, we're going to be taking a really close look at the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I'm going to be doing a demo, swatches, and application tips so you can decide if this is the concealer for you. Before we get into it, everything on my face in this video, including my top, will be linked in the description bar in case you are interested. So, girl, the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer was released back in 2013, believe it or not, and extended in 2016. That's around the time where I was introduced to the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, actually through a friend that worked at a NARS counter, then NARS Boutique. Did you all know that NARS has their own standalone boutiques? But the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer is available in both full size and mini size, retailing for $33 in 34 shades. The good thing is, this concealer comes in a variety of different undertones, neutral, cool, and warm, with some peachy tones to help color correct, which is very important for brown skin. The thing about brown skin is when you have hyperpigmentation, you tend to have a purplish or bluish hue to it, and peach is going to offset that. And NARS does a fantastic job in undertones on their concealer. I really love to use for myself the truffle shade. It is a very warm peachy shade that I would use around my mouth, in the corners of my eyes, to color correct and offset that bluish purple tone. The NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer is a medium buildable coverage, skincare infused, long wearing concealer, which is one of the reasons why I suggest it for all skin concerns, whether you have fine lines, dryness, normal skin, oily skin. It is literally the perfect texture. It is somewhat of a cream-like texture, but not too emollient. It just blends out absolutely beautiful. And the best thing that I can recommend to you, regardless of your skin type, to set this concealer would be the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. It is also perfect for all skin types, all skin concerns. Next, I want to walk you through my demo and application tips of this concealer. For my particular skin tone, I love to go in with a caramel shade. I apply that in up under the eye. I go in with the shade Secrety Orange, only in the inner corner of the eye. It has that warm golden undertone, and it really helps open the eye up. I only use this method whenever I'm going for more of a full glam look. If I was going for a regular everyday makeup day, then I would just use the caramel shade all over. Now, whenever I apply this particular concealer, or any concealer for that matter, on my more mature ladies, or if you have fine lines and texture up under the eye, I don't bring the concealer all the way up under the eye. I kind of park the concealer where the orbital bone on the eye is, and then let it sit for about a minute, and then blend that concealer up with a makeup brush or a beauty sponge. There are two makeup brushes that I want to recommend for blending out your concealer. I always recommend to blend out your concealer using a beauty blender or a makeup brush. And the two brushes that I want to suggest is the Morphe M132. I love it because it has that nice angle on it, and it gets right in up under that eye. Or the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy A109 concealer brush. I don't have that one in front of me right now, but these are the two brushes that I love to blend in concealer. So again, with the application of this concealer, after letting it sit on the skin for about 1 minute, you're going to want to take your concealer brush and pat that concealer in, not swipe. You don't want to undulate or move that concealer around under the eye at all, because you want that coverage. So in a patting and pressing motion, you're going to want to take that concealer up, blending it in an upward motion and slowly smudging it out up under the eye. And then immediately after blending, you're going to want to set that concealer with either a pressed or loose setting powder. I love Laura Mercier. There are a couple of good ones. I will have my recommendations linked in the description bar. Okay, beauties, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my in-depth review and tutorial using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. It is truly one of my, honestly, most repurchased concealers ever in my collection, professionally and personally. I hope this video helps you pick out the color that's going to be perfect for you. And if you like these types of videos, you're going to want to check the playlist that I have linked above. See you on the next one.